Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can solve this error. You need the official WhatsApp to use this account. So if you are using WhatsApp mode and you are facing the error, you need the official WhatsApp to use this account while sign up. This means your number is detected that you are using WhatsApp modes. In this video, I will show you two methods to solve this problem. The first method is using WhatsApp Business. You could solve this problem, need the official WhatsApp to use this account by using WhatsApp Business. Firstly, you need to uninstall the WhatsApp mode in the original WhatsApp from your phone. Now go to Play Store and search for WhatsApp Business. Install it and try to activate your number. In the most cases, this can be easily fixed by installing WhatsApp Business on your device. If you still get you need the official WhatsApp to use this account, then try the next method. And the second method is contact WhatsApp support directly. They can provide you with specific troubleshooting steps or assist you in resolving the problem. So for this, go to Google and type here WhatsApp help. Click on the official WhatsApp help center. Click on this contact us. On the contact us page, provide your phone, email address and specify the platform you are using. Write the following message. Hello WhatsApp support, I am encountering the error message. You need the official WhatsApp to use this account despite using the official app from the authorized app store. I have tried updating, reinstalling the app without success. Please assist in resolving this issue promptly. Thank you. Tap next and submit and then your problem will be solved. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.